Hello guys, welcome to the new video. In this video I'll be explaining you about exact function, what exactly this function is, how it works. This is the function from Microsoft Excel which compares between two string or between two texts. It gives either two values, true or false. If one string is exactly equal to the second string which are being compared, then it will give true. But if there is slightly difference between two strings, then it will give as false. Formula for this exact function is given by equal to exact bracket starts string 1 comma string 2. The result which we get are either true or false. So I have sample data of first name. All are in small number format, small letter format. So I'll be creating three different versions of first name. Let's see how it works. So there will be three cases of first name sample data. First case would be uppercase of first name, means all in this column all the first name in this column all the names will be in capital letter. Second case would be proper format of first name. In this the first letter of first name will be in capital. Third case, here I'll be copying and pasting sample data and editing them by keeping few strings in same format as of sample data, by capitalizing first name, by putting some data in proper format. So I am randomly putting few data in which is exactly equal to the names given in first name column B, and I am also deliberating changing the format which is indifferent from the data given in column B. Case 1, case 2 and case 3. I will be comparing first name with the data given in case 1, the new first name got in case 1, in case 2 and case 3, and comparing those data with each other using exact function. So when let me format these cells. So when I am formatting, so let's check first name with the names given in case 1. All false because first name has all names in small letter, while in case 1 we have all names in capital letters. That's why this exact function has given false as a result. Remember, exact function is case sensitive, means it will give different result while comparing if one is in lower case and one is in upper case. See here, it also gave false when it is compared with case 2 because all are in proper format. kindly do not mind the spelling mistakes which I have done here. I'm seeing that spelling of false is wrong. FACLSE, FAALSE. I'm typing, that's why. So when we compare first name with the names given in case 3, we'll get either true or false because we have used exactly same first name at few places. So we got true, 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 then false, false, then true, false, false, true, true. So guys, hope you've understood and enjoyed the video. If you liked my video and tutorial, do give me comment, do give me thumbs up, and do like, comment and subscribe my channel if you like my tutorials. Thank you. Enjoy the lockdown, stay safe, stay inside. Bye bye.